Today, my wife and I are going to do a hike. I'm really ashamed we've never done it before. It's called the Parrette River Hike, and it's just across the Willamette River from our farm. And we've been at this farm for over 30 years, and we've never done this hike. This is part of the Willamette River Greenway, something that Tom McCall, back when he was governor, wanted to do for the whole length of the Willamette River. But we only ended up with little bits and pieces of the Willamette River preserved for public use. So it's about a mile hike out and back, and it won't be very steep or much climbing, but should be really pleasant. So as they say, down the trail. Nice car park. So we just got done walking the Parrette Mountain River Trail, and about a mile out and back. A nice walk along the Willamette. I'm glad to say I did it, and as we say, down the trail.